Hi, today I will show you how to change the battery of your car keys of a Golf Volkswagen. So now what you have to do is to pull apart these two pieces of the car keys, and then you have to take the lower part of the keys and then put this side to the right. Pull it. You just have to pull a little bit stronger, and then now you have these two pieces. Now you take this piece with the battery and you take out the old battery with your hand or with letter opener or with a screwdriver. Now you take your new battery, in this case the Panasonic CR2032 with 3 volts, and then you put the new battery so that the side that has no letter looks out, and then now you take the other part that you have already tore it apart, and then you pull it together, and then now it has to have a click, and then now you have the other part, the upper part of the keys, and then you also put it together, and then now you have the new batteries of your car keys, Golf Volkswagen. Thanks for watching.